Hey everyone, Toby of Toby's Sewing Machine Repair here. Just wanted to make this quick video of the machine that I've got for sale. It is a Sanco, but actually it's made by Janome in the 70s. And this is what Janome was doing before they sort of had their own name. It's a really solid metal body machine. I won't call it heavy duty because there is a set of plastic gears, but it has barely ever been used, as you can see. There's no real surface wear, and it makes a really beautiful stitch. I've got a size 16 needle in here, and I'm using cotton ripstop fabric, which is sort of like your army pants material, very dense and very strong material. You can see it's just making a really beautiful and even straight stitch, and I've got blue thread on the bottom, and you can see how nice that tension is. And here we've got our zigzag, and I'll just stitch out a bit more of the zigzag. And you can see there, it just makes a really beautiful and even zigzag stitch. Very nice looking. And I'll show you how I threaded the machine up. So we go from the spool to this thread guide. Make sure your presser foot is up, of course. Around the tension discs with the spring over this part here, up through the take-up lever, down through this thread guide, down through that thread guide, final thread guide there, and then through the needle from left to right. That's how you thread the machine. Here we've got our stitch length. Here we've got our reverse button. And here you can switch between your normal and your stretch stitch. And the stretch stitch basically does a couple stitches forward and one back. And that's better for stretch fabrics. And you have your width here, so 0 will be straight stitch. And then as you go further to the left, you get a wider and wider zigzag stitch. So let's try the straight stitch a little bit. Let's set the stitch length a bit higher. Very nice. Have a look at that. Very good looking stitches. Nice even tension. And that's pretty much all that I've got for this machine. Well, actually, you can lower or raise the feed dogs. Now I've got it on normal. And if you're sewing really light fabrics, you can put it on the silk, which drops the feed dog ever so slightly. And then you can put it all the way this way, and the feed dogs will completely disengage, and you can do all the free motion sewing that you want to do. It's been fully serviced, cleaned, and it's running like new. Thanks very much.